Now, this blue check white flight cock is Jet Shoes. He is a global Kittel cock, and he was a brilliant racer. Once on a 330-kilometer race, he flew a break by 7.5 minutes. Now, he is bred from my famous bird, Wolkentrapper's nestmate, to my number one current hen, the pretty hen, Kittel Global. So he's an absolute fantastic pigeon. He raced over all distances, and he had the ability to break from the pack. Now he is a perfect 10 handler, medium to small size cock. And this is the hen he's mated with now, the best Kittel hen, Lady in Red. Now, two different fanciers from Johannesburg who bought babies from Jet Shoes reported during the week that that is their outstanding youngsters, and he's very happy about the performance. They skin their packs by minutes. Babies from Jet Shoes. Now look at these two beautiful reds. Two top class babies, rung with 2025 rings. Babies to Jet Shoes and Lady in Red. Now these two would be perfect to add to your stock loft or to break in and fly. So if you're interested in these two beautiful red checker babies out of Jet Shoes, so they are global Kittel, best Kittel, please contact me. Thank you.